What is the one word for lock up or confine, in or as in a jail? The correct answer is immure. What is the one word for request earnestly, ask for aid or protection? The correct answer is invoke. What is the one word for showing an inclination to disagree? The correct answer is contentious. What is the one word for command solemnly? The correct answer is adjure. What is the one word for the trait of being uncommunicative? The correct answer is taciturnity. What is the one word for state of disgrace resulting from public abuse? The correct answer is obloquy. What is the one word for stubbornly resistant to authority or control? The correct answer is refractory. What is the one word for a combination or blend of diverse things? The correct answer is amalgam. What is the one word for tending to promote physical well-being, beneficial to health? The correct answer is salutary. What is the one word for the relation between two interdependent species of organisms? The correct answer is symbiosis. What is the one word for an incidental benefit for certain types of employment? The correct answer is perquisite. What is the one word for be a mystery or bewildering to? The correct answer is nonplus. What is the one word for a personal foe or rival that cannot be easily defeated? The correct answer is nemesis. What is the one word for a document that sets forth a plan for a business enterprise? The correct answer is prospectus. What is the one word for the property of being close together? The correct answer is propinquity. What is the one word for make clear and comprehensible? The correct answer is elucidate. What is the one word for someone who supplies provisions, especially food? The correct answer is purveyor. What is the one word for official acceptance or agreement? The correct answer is approbation. What is the one word for attempting to win favor by flattery? The correct answer is sycophantic. What is the one word for characterized by jokes and good humor? The correct answer is jocose.